Welcome back. As you are in the editing process, one of the things you'll want to do in order to help your students is to produce visual guides. And this is going to be especially true when you're doing demonstration style or over-the-shoulder videos. For example, inside of this video editor, what you can do is you can come to the point every time you reach a stage where you are actually taking an action that you're going to want to explain. You're going to stop the process and then you're going to put some notation on the actual file. So for example, in this particular case, what we're going to do is we're going to notate one aspect of this chart. And we're going to drag our cursor so that it's actually going to appear there at this point in time. And we're going to do that throughout several spots in this video. Now, when we reach this spot, we are going to then create a screenshot from this point. In Camtasia Studio, we would hit Control F, and this would give us an untitled PNG file. And we're going to reach another point, and we're going to add in another notation. And we're going to drag our cursor in. And once again, we're going to take note of what we're actually explaining. We're going to hit Control F. And we're going to save this as the second in a series. And we're going to continue to do this for each individual video. And every time we hit a stopping point, we're going to do a Control F. And we're going to take this screenshot. In some cases, what we may do is we may use a different way of notating, but the process is the same. What we're doing is we're drawing attention, and basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to do something that is going to be more visual when we produce this document. And so we reach a stopping point again, we're going to Control F. And you'll notice now that we have 4 distinct times where we have created images that we're going to come back and use in our course by giving our students a visual guide also. It is a way of adding value to your course and giving your students an easier way to follow what it is you're doing on screen, or if they don't want to keep up with the actual video and they want to do what you're doing, giving them the guide is another way of helping them to take action on your information. Now, there's going to be a part 2 of this video. I'm going to show you what to do with these screenshots from your video editor. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.